What if I told you there's a setup smart money traders use to trap breakout traders before price completely reverses? Most traders enter too early, but this CRT Turtle Soup Model waits for liquidity to get swept first. And once the market structure shifts, the move can become explosive. Stay till the end because I'll show you exactly where the entry happens and why most traders miss it. Welcome to AFTechTrades, where we break down smart money concepts into simple, high-probability trading strategies. If you enjoy trading content like this, subscribe, like the video, and share it with another trader. First, we move to the higher time frame, in this case, the 1-week chart. We identify the CRT range. CRTH stands for Candle Range Trading High, and CRTL stands for Candle Range Trading Low. This range becomes important because price often seeks liquidity resting above highs and below lows. In this strategy, we want price to sweep the CRTH first. Now watch carefully. Price pushes above the CRTH. This is called a liquidity sweep. Retail traders think the market is breaking out higher, but smart money uses this move to grab liquidity before reversing price in the opposite direction. This fake breakout is the core idea behind the turtle soup setup. After the sweep, we wait for confirmation. That confirmation is the MSS, market structure shift. This happens when price breaks the previous bullish structure and starts forming bearish momentum. This is important because it tells us the market direction may be changing. Without MSS, there is no confirmation. Next, we look for the fair value gap, also called the FVG. The FVG forms during the aggressive displacement move after MSS. Instead of chasing the move, we wait patiently for price to retrace back into the FVG. This becomes our entry zone. Smart money traders prefer entering at premium prices after confirmation, not during emotional moves. Once price taps into the fair value gap and rejects, that becomes the sell entry. Your stop loss usually goes above the liquidity sweep high, and targets can be placed near the CRTL or lower liquidity levels. This creates a strong risk-to-reward setup. Most traders fail with this setup because they enter too early. They short before confirmation, or they ignore the market structure shift completely. Patience is the real edge. Wait for the sweep, wait for MSS, then execute at the FVG. So let's recap the CRT Turtle Soup Model. Step 1. Identify the CRT range. Step 2. Wait for liquidity sweep. Step 3. Confirm market structure shift. Step 4. Enter at the fair value gap. That's how smart money traps breakout traders and captures reversals. If this breakdown helped you understand the CRT Turtle Soup strategy, make sure to subscribe to AFTechTrades, like this video, and share it with another trader trying to master smart money concepts. Comment below if you want the next video on ICT concepts, liquidity engineering, or sniper entry models. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research before taking any trade.